Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on how to create the bibliography or references using Zotero. So this particular platform you can able to download the Zotero software for your computer. For example, if your computer is having a Linux software 32-bit operating system, you can go with this, or you can use the, for example, if you have a Windows based, you can use this. For after downloading this particular software, and you have to connect with the Zotero by Chrome connector. After this is a simple process, you can able to do this. So I have already installed this particular thing, so I will directly go to the Zotero platform. See, this is the Zotero platform, and here I have downloaded some of the article which are related to my research work. For example, I have downloaded some of the article on e-learning. So I want to write the article on e-learning, so I have downloaded and I have uploaded over here. So, and I have used this article for my reference purpose in my particular article. So by using this particular platform, you can able to create a bibliography automatically by using different reference styles. For example, there are APA, MLA, Chicago, other style formats are there. So after this, you have to click over here. For example, all these article you have to make bibliography. So by using shift and a down arrow button, you can able to select all these. After that, you have to click right. Here is the option create bibliography from items. So you have to just click over here, then new box will be open. Here you have to click the style format which you want to create your bibliography. For example, there are different style format: American Political Science Association, American Psychological Association 7th edition, or different other things. So I want my bibliography in Chicago style manual, so I have clicked this one. After that, here you can able to see bibliography button is on. So output method is RTF file format, that is the standard file format. You have to click on here. After that, just you have to click OK button. So it will generate bibliography automatically. For example, it is directly this particular dialog box opened. Here I will use as a desktop untitled bibliography. So maybe you can change your for example name also. I have just click over it as a save button. You can able to see that here is the untitled bibliography. So if you click over here untitled bibliography, your bibliography is ready. Whatever article you have downloaded in the e-learning platform, sorry, in the e-learning folder, so it is opening. So this is the bibliography which is created, and after it is open in Word format. Here you can select this one, and formatting style you can do immediately. For example, giving the proper file formats and giving the numbers likewise. So this is the bibliography of your articles, books, or websites retrieved for my research purpose. So I hope this video you will help for your research and other things. Thank you very much.